Good day. Today we will talk about one more aspect of using the health card. Please, I am a psychotherapist Konstantin Vasilyevich Syroshko. For more than 30 years of my work, in the last year I have come across a health card. I was interested. What is it? What is this health card? And I decided to use it to treat my patients. What can I say? I was immediately surprised by the results that I observed. In order to see the result in reality, I used the Dynamics Pharma Hardware Diagnostic Complex. This is also the development of domestic scientists. What is important? The health card is also the development of a domestic scientist. This is purely a Russian product. I read on the card that this is a patented technique for reducing the biological age of an organism. And what do I observe? At the hardware complex I had a 63-year-old man for examination who used the health card. We see that he had a comprehensive health indicator of 76% at the time of the examination, but at the age of 63, it should be only 29%. We see the figure at plus 47%. There was a high-quality complex increase in health when using the health card. Now let's look at our complex's biological age at the time of the examination. As I told, the man was 63 years old, and the biological age, vital resources, are 21 years younger, only 42 years old. You can say a lot about what is good, how it improves, why people began to move more fun, jump, breathe, but the qualitative indicator, quantitative, we can clearly see on this complex. If someone is interested in Oriental medicine, we can see the aura of this man. Please, I want to say that I have never seen such a powerful, saturated spectrum at the age of 63, met only with a man who used this health card. Therefore, I believe that here we cannot talk about something further, because we have clearly seen everything. Thank you for the attention. I suggest everyone to use the health card. I myself have been using it for a year now and my health indicators have also begun to improve. Everything became better and more beautiful in life.